Factoring a polynomial reverses the multiplication process. When factoring a monomial from a polynomial, the first step is to find the greatest common factor of the polynomial's terms. So when we are factoring each term, we break it down into the prime factors, and the GCF can be found by seeing what are the common factors of each term. And in this instance, it's 4x. And you would divide that out of each term. So if we're looking at 21 and we want to factor, if I'm thinking of it conceptually, I'm going to prime factor each term. So this is 3 times 3 times x minus 3 times 2. The only common factor that they have is 3. So I'll factor out a 3, and what's left is 3x minus 2. Same idea on 22. T squared is t times t, and this is 2 times 2 times 2 times t. Oops. The only common factor is t. If we factor out a t, that leaves t plus 8. Number 23, 14 is 7 times 2 times n times n times n minus 7 times 5 times n plus 7 times 2 times 2. The only common factor that these three terms have is 7. When I factor out a 7, that leaves 2n to the third minus 5n squared plus 4. So we can factor out the greatest common factor.